In this video, we will see default argument in function. So for this, what is default argument? Let's define a function. My function is fn and it is expecting a value a. Let's say if user do not pass any value, then its value should be 10. So it is 10, then return print ah, print a age a. So now call the function fn. So as you can see, I am not passing any argument, but it is expecting one. I defined that this function expect one one argument while calling the function. So because we have set a default value to a, so that's why it is not calling an error. It is not raising an error. So that's why it is returning a is 10. Let what if I do like this a and print age a is a, then what will happen? So here you can see it is saying that invalid syntax. Why? Because now call this fn. Now you can see now here is it is saying that function missing one required positional argument. So that's why here it is a problem. So default argument, here you can see when we assign a value to parameter while creating a function, it's called a default value of parameter when user do not pass value to any argument. Let's execute this again. Now function age 10. Now again, if I call this function fn and I pass value 15, now what will happen? Let's check. Now a become 15 because now we pass value of a is equal to 15. Now it will override the a value, default value of a. So this is the default argument in function. In next video we will see what we need to take care about while creating a function which uses a default argument and which uses default and non-default argument both. So meeting you in next video. Thanks.